Imagine waking up every morning with the knowledge that every step you take is taking you closer to financial freedom. Think about what it would be like to have that sense of ease, knowing that your daily decisions are paving the way to a prosperous and abundant future. Well, my friend, this scenario can become reality, and it all starts with adopting some simple and powerful habits. You may have heard that wealth is not just about money, but about how you manage your actions and decisions. Believe me, getting rich is more a matter of behavior than luck. And that's where these 6 habits I'm about to share with you come in. If you incorporate these habits into your routine, you will not only see your bank account grow, but you will also feel a transformation in the way you approach life. Well, first of all, leave your like. Agreed? And of course, my friend, stay with me until the end of this video because the last habit is the most important. The first habit you need to apply in your life is to define your priorities. It's really important to stop and think about what's most important to you, man. I'll give you a real example based on myself. In the example of the YouTube project, there are several parts, right? There's the script, the images, the videos, and so on. So, brother, I always start with the most difficult, and the most difficult for me is the script. But of course, I dedicate myself because I bring what I think along with what works, So, the first habit you have to have is to prioritize. If you have projects to do and such, but in the afternoon you want to go out for a family date, man, first you have to do the things that really need to be done, because that is your number one priority. So that's it, brother. The trick is to define priorities and focus on them with everything. Be firm and don't leave important things for later, because this way you are taking the first step towards achieving your goals. But well, look, brother, the second habit is to sleep well because, look, it's no use spending all day working and arriving at night and not sleeping properly. This will really harm you, my friend. It will affect your life, and even if you are young and don't feel the effects as much now, over time you will notice it. There's no point in getting rich and not being well in the future, This is why it's important to sync everything, man. You need to watch your sleep, bro. Because when you sleep well, are rested, and have a clear head, you can achieve much more during the day. And that's not bullshit. No, it's reality, brother. So, how do you sleep well? Look, everyone is different, but here are some tips that can help you, bro. First, create a sleep routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same times each day. This helps your body get used to it and get into a good rhythm. Another important thing is to create an environment conducive to sleep, bro. Leaves the room dark, silent, and at a pleasant temperature. Avoid using your cell phone before bed because its blue light interferes with your sleep. And if you have difficulty falling asleep, try to relax before bed. Make some calming tea, read a book, listen to calm music. Everyone has their own way, right? And look, brother, there's no point lying in bed rolling around, bro. If more than 20 minutes pass and you can't sleep, get up and do something relaxing. You only go back to bed when you're really sleepy, Anyway, brother, sleeping well is essential to have a healthy and productive life. So, take this seriously and try to improve the quality of your sleep. Third habit, maximum concentration. This is certainly a fundamental habit to achieve success and, consequently, get rich. Concentration. Lack of focus can be a big enemy, especially in the work environment. When you're immersed in a project, whether at work or in a personal endeavor, it's important to stay focused. Imagine the following situation. You are working intensely on an important task, and suddenly your cell phone vibrates with a notification. It could be a friend sending you a message, a social media update, or any other distraction. This small moment of inattention can make you lose the thread and, even worse, compromise the quality of your work. Therefore, the recommendation is simple. Turn off your cell phone or put it in airplane mode during periods of intensive work. Prevent external distractions from interfering with your productivity. This small act of discipline can make a big difference. But of course, there are also circumstances in which this rule cannot be applied so strictly. For example, if you work on your cell phone, like a sales rep or digital marketer or other type of job, turning it off may not be a viable option. In this case, the tip is to configure notifications only for really important calls or messages, keeping the focus on crucial tasks. However, most people work in environments where distractions can be minimized. Whether in an office, a home office, or a physical business, The key is to understand the importance of focusing fully on what you are doing. This not only increases efficiency, but also the quality of work, which in turn can lead to improving your skills and eventually enrichment. Therefore, remember, to get rich, it is essential to adopt the habit of concentration. Focus on what really matters and eliminate distractions that could compromise your success. Fourth habit, drink water. I know it's simple and generic, but it's incredibly important for your performance and yes, for your success and enrichment. Imagine this. You are in the middle of a busy day, full of tasks and responsibilities. Often, the last thing on our minds is drinking water. But the truth is that dehydration can directly affect your ability to concentrate, energy, and even mood. And if you're looking to improve your productivity and achieve big goals, these factors are crucial. So, my friend, here's my advice. Incorporate the habit of drinking water into your daily routine. It's not just about quenching your thirst, but about keeping your body and mind functioning at their best. If you are well hydrated, your ability to think clearly, make decisions, and even deal with stress improves significantly. Let's be practical. Always have a bottle of water by your side, whether at work, in the car, or at home. Take regular water breaks, even if you don't feel thirsty. Sometimes thirst is a sign that we are already starting to dehydrate. And that's not all. Drinking water regularly helps with digestion, blood circulation, and maintaining body temperature. All of this contributes to a healthier body and, consequently, to better performance in all areas of your life. Think with me. If you're looking to get rich, achieve your goals, and be the best version of yourself, why not start with something as simple and powerful as drinking water? This small habit can have a big impact on your daily life and, in the long term, on your results. So don't underestimate the importance of staying hydrated. Make this a daily habit and see how your energy, concentration, and productivity will improve. Fifth habit, studying. Dude, let me tell you about the fifth habit, absolutely essential if you want to be successful and rich. Studying. And here we are not talking about just any study, but something targeted, focused on learning from those who have already gotten to where you want to be. First, study the habits of millionaires. Read the books they read, understand their routines, their strategies, and how they think. Success often leaves clues, and you can learn a lot by absorbing the knowledge and practices of those who have already achieved what they want. Now, let's be realistic. If you have a specific dream, like being a doctor, and it's something you really want, go ahead and follow that path. Passion is a powerful engine and can take you far. But if your main objective is to enrich and transform your family's reality, the internet offers one of the most viable and accessible paths today. The internet is full of opportunities. You can learn high-demand digital skills such as digital marketing, web development, graphic design, e-commerce, among many others. And the best of all, many of these skills can be learned affordably or even for free. There are online courses, YouTube tutorials, blogs, podcasts, and entire communities dedicated to sharing knowledge and helping each other grow. I always recommend studying strategically. For example, if you want to start an internet project, such as an online business, dedicate time to understand the market, study marketing strategies, learn about branding and how to build a strong digital presence. Knowledge is a powerful tool, and the more you know, the more prepared you will be to face challenges and seize opportunities. Another important tip is to never stop learning. The internet and the digital world are constantly evolving. New technologies and trends emerge all the time, and those who stay up to date have a huge competitive advantage. Therefore, make studying an ongoing habit. Remember, studying is not just about accumulating information, but about applying what you learn. Put the knowledge you have acquired into practice, experiment, adjust, and perfect your strategies. True learning comes from combining theory and practice. So, my friend, if you want to enrich and transform your reality, start studying today. Well, now I want to know if you reached this part of the video. If you did, comment on the following sentence, Millionaire Mind. Comment on this because I'm going to answer you. I'm going to like your comment and I'll know that you got here too, right? In this penultimate habit. So leave your comment there, my friend. But well, the last essential habit for success, keeping a daily report. It seems simple, but believe me, this practice can make a big difference in your journey to achieving your goals. Keeping a daily report means recording your activities, goals, progress, and learnings daily. It's a habit that requires discipline, but the benefits are immense. Let me explain why this is so important. First, it helps with organization. By writing down your tasks and goals, you have a clear vision of what needs to be done. This prevents procrastination and ensures that you are always focused on what really matters. You don't waste time on irrelevant activities and stay focused on priorities. Secondly, the daily report is an excellent self-knowledge tool. By writing about your day, your achievements and challenges, you begin to notice patterns of behavior, identify strengths and areas that need improvement. This self-knowledge is fundamental for personal and professional growth. Third, it allows you to track progress. Often, we are so focused on big goals that we forget to celebrate the small victories of everyday life. By recording your progress daily, you can see how much progress you've made, which is extremely motivating. This helps to keep motivation high and persist, even when challenges seem difficult. Fourth, it facilitates decision-making. With a detailed record of your activities and results, it's easier to analyze what's working and what's not. You can adjust your strategies based on hard data rather than just intuition. This increases your chances of success. To get started, you can use a notebook, a note-taking app on your cell phone, or even a spreadsheet on your computer. Choose the format that best suits your style. The important thing is that you commit to doing this every day, without exception. Here are some things you can include in your daily report. First, tasks of the day. List the main tasks you accomplished. Second, daily goals. Write down whether you managed to meet your daily goals. Third, challenges. Record the obstacles you faced and how you dealt with them. Fourth, learnings. Write down something new you learned that day. And finally, briefly reflect on your day, highlighting what was positive and what can be improved. Remember, the purpose of the daily report is not to be a bureaucratic task, but rather a powerful tool for your development. Over time, you will see how this simple habit can transform your productivity, your self-knowledge, and, consequently, your success. Finally, maintain consistency. The true strength of this habit lies in its regularity. Whether your day has been busy or peaceful, take a few minutes to record your activities and reflections. This daily practice will be one of the pillars that will support your continued growth. Well, I hope that everything I said here was clear to you, my friend, and that you apply what I said here, okay? And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't left your like yet, leave your like now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.